Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a 10 lines essay on rainy season. So let's start with the first point. Rainy season starts in the month of June and lasts till September. Second point, rainy season has rain showers and pleasant weather. Third point, in this season plants and trees look very green and attractive. Fourth, this season gives relief from intense heat wave of hot summer. Fifth, air quality is improved in rainy season as the impurities in air get mixed with falling rain. Sixth, rainy season brings joy to the agriculture driven economies around the world. Seventh, lakes and rivers receive plenty of water during the rainy season. 8. Rainy season is the favorite season of many people. Ninth, rainbows can be seen occasionally during this season. 10th point, rainy season is a beautiful season with greenery and fresh environment. Let's move on to next essay of 10 lines. Rainy season again. First point, rainy season is a pleasant season. It is also known as the monsoon season. Third point, rainy season begins in June. Fourth point, all lands become lush green. Fifth, trees, hills and lakes look attractive. Sixth point, rainy season is an important season for agriculture. Seventh, this season is loved by people of all age groups. 8 point, rainy season gives us relief from scorching heat. Ninth, children love to play in rain. 10th point, rainy season is my favorite season. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.